Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm doing Korean inspired ribeye steaks. So I love a good ribeye steak, but here I'm bringing the changes with some very different Korean inspired flavours. I have these beautiful ribeye steaks, not too big, just a nice size. I'm going to be smearing them with this gochujang chili paste. It's lovely, it's got real rich depth of flavour and nice heat, and they're going to be amazing brushed onto these steaks. And I'm going to finish with some lovely kimchi on top. This is just to show you some different flavours of what you can do with a steak. I'm going to cook these on the Ascua asado setup from Black Box Barbecue. I'm going to light it. I've got some cherry wood that I'm going to set fire in the braseiro. I'm going to rake the embers across and cook over those embers on this lovely grill. I've got some gochujang paste. This stuff is pretty easily available now. Nice oriental sort of supermarkets and online. If you haven't tried it, I really recommend it. So I'm just going to, not too much, but a small amount on each, probably about a tablespoon or so. There we go. I'm just going to brush that in onto these steaks. You can do this in advance if you want, a bit more time. Acts as kind of like a marinade, but probably not too much in advance. The flavours will just work into that crust lovely. I want this to really sear into these steaks. Okay, get your meter, pop that into the middle of this steak. Try and hit one of the main eye muscles. That's ideal. Ready to go. Okay, so this cook's gone really well, had a nice sear on the grill, lovely. The meter's done its job. Let's take that out. That's done its job now. I've got some nice Vadasz raw kimchi here. This is lovely stuff, and it's going to go well with this Korean inspired ribeye here. So watch that. I love kimchi. This is a really good one as well. Nice spicy, umami rich, lovely stuff. You need to allow these to rest just a couple of minutes, not too long. I've been looking for a nice back medium on these, so somewhere in the 55 degrees C they need to come off the grill, and they should hit the 55 to 60 mark on the meter. So I'm just going to have a cut in here, see how I've done. Oh, that looks perfect. Just how I like my ribeyes. Okay, first I'm just going to have a little taste by itself. Oh, that's delicious. Lovely savouriness, it works really well. Just needs a little bit of salt, I think. So a little bit of sea salt, round over the top. That's perfect. I'm going to have a little taste with a little bit of the kimchi. I think these are going to go great together. Oh yeah. The savouriness of the kimchi just balances nicely with the beefiness of the steak. I'm really impressed with that. That is a really tasty dish. So Korean inspired ribeyes with kimchi, definite winner. Make sure to try it. And if you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke, remember, hit that subscribe button over there. Let me know you like what I'm doing here. It's all appreciated. Cheers.